Okay, we're just up here at the Donington Park Superbike Factory. Let's have a little walk around and take a look at some of the bikes, see what we can see. It's a beautiful day today, so there's quite a few people out already. It's just past, well, it's just about 1 minute to 12 midday, so yeah, let's have a quick, look. Hi mate.
Hi mate.
Triumph Adventurer. Not sure what era that's from. Another Triumph. MT-01, plenty of those around here. Lovely GSXR 750. 05, yeah. Beautiful. Brilliant bike that. Did I say 750? I meant 600. I can't remember. Honda AFR. Got one of these myself. Oh no, that's the earlier model actually. This is the earlier model. Great, another great bike. Beautiful to ride. Cheers, mate. Another MT. Honda NC 750. Suzuki V-Strom. How they've changed, eh? And there we go, a few more classic bikes. Paul Hawksworth's RD 350 LC, heavily modified. With his special Chinese clocks, but he's done a great job on them. If anybody needs a set of clocks for an LC, these are digital ones. But he's matched them all up, and I can put you in contact with him if you ever want to buy some. James Jackson's RC 30.
How we doing?
Trusty VF. Look at this Busa, that's stunning bit of kit, that beautiful. And there's your Harleys, for those of you that like something different. Let's have a look down here, see what we've got. Kawasaki KLV 1000. No, I haven't seen one of those for a long time. ZX6R, another beautiful bike, back in the day. Yeah, some stunning bikes around today. Old CBR 600F here. Late 90s, another great bike. Go on, do that again. Go on, do it again. Now look at that. See, this is what Harley riders do when they come up to the Superbike Factory. This is going on YouTube, by the way. Look at that thing. There's another beautiful RD 350 down here. I'll see. We'll have a look at this. Completely standard. From what I can see, it's got some different bars on it, but that is beautiful. bar colours. Look at those clocks, stunning. Fantastic. Feel like a nice LC. Trike we've got there, something different. And a Yamaha, I don't know what that is. Some 500. Yeah. 4-stroke single. By the look of things, yeah, look at that. Oh, there's a trusty VFR. Don't look much these, but they are a great bike. They do everything that a bike's supposed to. Ducati Scrambler. Alright, Stu.
Hey, up, Andy, you alright?
Yes, thanks, mate. You?
You're dreaming again.
Yeah. Yeah. Look at. Oh, and a Diavel. Look at that. Now, I've ridden one of these many years ago and I hated it, but they are something to look at. It wasn't one of these, this version, it was the early version. But that is a stunning looking bike. HP4. Nice. Lots of different bikes up here. We've got a GPZ 750 up here from back in the day. Look at that. Heavily modified, but looking beautiful.
He went to the old Smith. He says the fucking queue, he said I drove off. Yeah, you know, we went to Orpington. He says it was absolutely ridiculous. We went to Orpington.
Yeah, nice that. Yeah, some mix of modern and some older stuff, you know, from the 90s going back to the 80s. Really is great to see. Varied bunch of bikes that we've got out here today. Yeah, beautiful. It's been interesting. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed that little video. We'll keep my eye out, see if we can see anything else, and if I do, I'll put it up.